Yeah? What's up? Hey man, listen to the song I made.
Late at night, my mind starts to wander, lost in the haze of rock and roll thunder. I whisper in the air, temptation takes its toll. This mindless dream where vices freely flow. Sex, drugs, and rock and roll. Living fast, losing control. In this wild world, we take our stand with guitars in hand, ruling the land.
Sounds great, man. Finally you came up with something good. But he didn't. Chirp did. Chirp is an AI music generator by Suno, and you can use it for free in Discord. When you go to their website, you can listen to a few examples, and I have to say, I am very impressed with it. Let's have a listen. You just go to suno.ai and then you click here on Showcase. Alright, let's listen to a few examples. I'll show you more later on.
Oh, you made me happy. This you can bet. You stood right beside me, yeah. And I won't forget. And I really love you. You should know I wanna make sure I'm right, girl, before I let go. Now we've had a good time. It's not the same. We're hurting each other, girl. It's a shame. I won't be foolish, no, no. Baby, now we got bad blood. You know it used to be mad love. So take a look what you've done. Cause baby, now we got that blood. And now we got problems, and I don't think we can solve them. You made a really deep cut. And baby, now we got bad blood.
I think it sounds absolutely amazing for AI generated. Let's listen to one more.
Almost heaven, West Virginia. Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is older, older than the trees. Younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home.
Just a bit of an abrupt ending there. Of course, it's not perfect yet, and it's a maximum of 40 seconds long. But keep in mind, this is the worst it will ever be. Just going to get better from here, and I'm sure soon you will be able to make songs that you can just listen to normally. Wait, so you're telling me an AI made this? Well, yes, but I still have the general idea for the concept of the song. And you really just need a rough idea. When you are in Discord, first you'll see this song about beer I made in German. Anyway, maybe we'll have a listen later. But for now we type /chirp. And here we can create our own song. Up there we can pick the genre, and down there we can either write our own lyrics or we can have the lyrics written by ChatGPT. Let's test that and let's make it a rap song. And then let's make the song about the technology and why it's the best beginner's channel on YouTube when it comes to AI. Now this takes between 1 and 3 minutes, so I'll speed it up. And Chirp always creates 2 versions, so let's have a listen.
Hey, let me tell you about this YouTube sensation, the channel called Wise Technology, the best in the nation. AI beginners gather around, ready to be amazed with knowledge and skills we're about to be raised. Wise Technology, the ultimate AI guide, bringing content and ideas we can't hide, from algorithms to neural nets. We're on our way, learning and growing each and every day.
The technology, of course, but let's listen to the other one.
And let me tell you about this YouTube sensation, a channel called Wise Technology, the best in the nation. AI beginners gather around, ready to be amazed with knowledge and skills we're about to be raised. Wise Technology, the ultimate AI guide, bringing content and ideas we can't hide, from algorithms to neural nets. We're on our way, learning and growing each and every day.
Okay, not bad, I really like it. And now let's have a quick listen into the beer song in German. Of course, just to show that it works good in multiple different languages.
Ist das allerbeste Getränk, im Glas glänzt es golden und schmeckt wie ein Triumph. In froher Runde singen wir fröhlich, laut und like auf das Bier, das uns immer beglückt.
At the moment you get 50 free credits every day with Chirp, which is enough for about 5 generations daily. So definitely enough to play around with it. And you can play around a lot. Down here when you click at the hearts you get the finished version, the downloadable version of the song, and when you click continue, you continue whatever version you like. When you continue a song a few times, then you just need to click on the heart down there and then you get all the single parts together. So when you click here on continue, you can again type in the genre, your own lyrics or whatever, and you can continue the song that you already started. Wait, so you could have come up with your own lyrics. I thought you want to be a songwriter. I am really blown away by how good this tool already sounds. And as you may have noticed, I tend to be very enthusiastic and excited about new AI tools. But what about you? I know there's a huge argument for AI tools making creative jobs obsolete to some degree, even though I don't fully buy into that. Or even generally AI replacing us all when it comes to work. And this could be a real possibility in the future, and we definitely need to figure something out for that. But anyway, that's maybe a topic for another video. What do you think? But let's get back to Chirp for now. And listen to one more example because I really love this reggae version of Happy Birthday.
Happy birthday to you, you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Madhu. Happy birthday to you. 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 Happy birthday.
Well, these abrupt endings are a bit annoying, but you can definitely work around that. And if you're a beginner or want to have a more in-depth look at how Chirp works, definitely check out the tutorial I made right over here.
Gold der Götter, du bringst uns Freude und entfachst die Lebensglut.